In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication in QuickBooks Online. This is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to keep your financial data safe. And by the end of this video, you'll have it set up and running in just a few minutes. Let's get right into it. So, what exactly is two-factor authentication or two-step verification? Think of it as an extra lock on your account. Instead of just using your password, QuickBooks will also ask for a verification code sent to your phone or Authenticator app. That means even if someone manages to steal your password, they won't be able to log in without that second step. This second layer of security is crucial for safeguarding sensitive financial information. To get started, sign into your Intuit account. Head over to the QuickBooks Online website and log in using your normal credentials. Once you've logged in, proceed to your account settings. You can do this by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner, then selecting Manage Your Intuit account. With that done, navigate to Security Settings. On the left-hand menu, you'll see the option for the Sign In and Security. Click on that. This area is where all your login preferences are stored, making it your go-to spot for adjusting security settings. Now, it's time to enable two-step verification. Scroll down until you spot the two-step verification option. Click on Turn On or Set Up. This will initiate the setup process that will ramp up the security of your account. You'll then need to choose your verification method. You have two options here. The first option is text message, also known as SMS. With this method, QuickBooks will send a verification code directly to your phone each time you sign in. If you opt for this, ensure your phone is handy whenever you're logging in. The second option is an Authenticator app. If you prefer using apps like Google Authenticator or Authy, you can easily connect one here. Just scan the QR code provided by QuickBooks and your app will start generating authentication codes for you. Next, you'll need to verify and save these settings. QuickBooks will send a code to the method you selected. Enter this code into the prompt, and once it's verified, click Save. And that's it. You've successfully added an extra layer of protection to your account. A couple of best practices to keep in mind. Always use a strong, unique password alongside two-factor authentication. Also, limit account access to only the people who truly need it. If you ever run into issues, don't worry. QuickBooks has support articles and a customer care team ready to assist. And there you have it. Two-factor authentication is now enabled in QuickBooks Online, giving your sensitive financial data much stronger protection. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and security guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.